My people, trouble no dey too much like this. So I don't know how to start laughing because it's already late in my side. Everywhere is quiet. Like these twins, if you find their trouble, they will come for you full time. Like Ruth, after the whole shaking of table, Lebka asked her. I thought she said she's a straightforward person, and she always say that it's good that Lebka asked her that thing. Why didn't she go to WANNI and tell her how she feels about what she did? And instead, she was busy complaining to her partner, DJ Flo. So she was like, and she has told her before. WANNI was like, you didn't tell me anything. I said, I told you before. So that she has been stepping on her toes and she's like a ticking bomb, blah, blah, blah. That's how after the show, Nasa can't see now where these twins were busy calling her name Ruthie, Ruthie, Ruthie. Like she threatened them that if they call her name, that she will show them. So they kept on calling her Ruthie, Ruthie. People was like, this is not the first time you keep mentioning people's name. And I like that. So that they will shake the house small. Do you understand? It's so sad that they are toiling with their emotions, but at the same time, yeah, that's why you're there, to shake the house, that kind of thing. Do you understand? So that was the fight. So after the live show, the twins now went to Cassia and was telling her now that they know who they are up for, against, and all of that. As she wished that they said they should be two housemates, that Ruth would have followed them, Ruthie would have followed them. So I don't even know how to laugh. These children will not kill me in this house. And trust Onyeka, anywhere there is Basbos, you always find her. So that's that about the fight. Then can we talk about how we can shake CHINWE's relationship? The girl now is para and she's wondering, what am I going to say? How do I defend this? This is what you get when you don't control your emotions. Do you understand? Let me not lie. I like that question Ibka asked CHINWE, because the way she spoke about design was as if she was the god behind everything that they did to come to this big brother Naija. Now, if Ghana asked him, should we now say that you are the all in all that did all these things for Zion? Was there a part you're missing that Zion would have done? She was now just going around the corners. You said a lot. You said you paid for the flight. You said you did this. You said you did that. I just hope that when that guy comes out and saw or see, if I speak rubbish, see the videos of what she has said so far, even the guy's parents don't agree make them have anything together again. But what do I know? Love is always love. And I just hope they settle it, because this relationship is shaky. Now she's worried, and her friends surrounded her, DJ Flo and Victoria, like they were telling her she not panic and all of that. That's what they will do for her as friends. But we, the viewers, we know what we heard. Abuna, no follow me here. You know what we heard when they had issues. That's the thing. You manage your anger so you don't make you be the best speech you will regret. See, now she's worried. It is well with her. Then should we now talk about Victoria? Because Ebuka also asked Victoria a question. Ebuka tend to even help her, ask her, does she feel like that relationship she has with Sean is no longer there? I was waiting for her to say something, that she's missing the part that they are not they're not doing like their partners. He's no now more concerned to another people. Rather, she said no, she's not feeling anything bad, but he pays attention to more of his thing that he's doing, so she didn't want to interfere. I told myself, okay, since she has closed her mouth, make Ebuka Kuku help her now. So the bottom four was Flourish, CHINWE, Ndine, and the Radicals. These my Radicals, they've been up now twice, and I feel for them anyway. So at the end of the day, what these trees they chose in their custodian challenge was evict only. So that was how they now entered the diary room, and they made their own choice. It was a hard choice to make. I don't blame them. They will also be blaming themselves, but they had to evict Ndine. You know, they were up last Sunday, and that last Sunday Ndine saved Radicals. So they will be like, okay, maybe we should use this opportunity and evict them. I don't know. That's my thoughts, because others, they are actually relatable with them. So that's how Ndine were evicted. So guys, thank you guys for always stopping by. You are the best. See you guys in my next video. Bye.